In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change item column name on Monday.com. If you've ever set up a board in Monday.com and later realized that a column name doesn't quite match what your team is using it for, renaming that column is a quick way to keep everything organized and clear. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to do that, step by step, and I'll also give you a couple of tips so you know what to expect when you make the change. First, make sure you're logged into your Monday.com account and open the board where you want to change a column name. This can be any board, a project tracker, a content calendar, a sales pipeline, or anything else you're working on. Once the board is open, give it a moment to fully load so that all columns and items are visible. Now, look across the top of your board for the column whose name you want to change. In this example, we'll imagine it's a due date column, but the process is exactly the same for any type of column, whether it's a status, a text field, a date, or something custom. Move your mouse to the column header right over the existing name. To open the column options, you have two choices. The first option is to right-click directly on the column header. For example, right-click on the due date column name. This will bring up a small menu of actions that you can perform on that column. If right-clicking isn't convenient for you, or if you're on a device where that's tricky, you can use the second option. Still on the same column header, look for the three small dots, usually positioned on the right side of the column name. Click on those three dots to open the same options menu. Once that menu is open, look for the option labeled Rename. Go ahead and click on Rename. The column name will become editable and you'll see the text highlighted or with a cursor inside it. Type in the new name you want to use for that column. Try to choose something descriptive and consistent with the rest of your board, so everyone on your team understands the purpose of that column at a glance. When you're happy with the new name, press Enter or click outside the header area to save it. The column will immediately update, and everywhere that column appears on this board, it will now show the new name. That's all there is to it. You've successfully changed an item column name on Monday.com, helping keep your workspace clear, accurate, and easy for your team to navigate.